Hey guys, so today I will be doing an unboxing of a makeup palette from Widow Witch Lashes. So I purchased this palette oh god, I don't even know, over a month ago. And it's supposed to be Addams family themed. I have not opened it yet, so I don't know what it looks like. Just except for whatever I saw online pictures. I honestly don't even remember what it looked like. I don't remember what's included with it. I think it was like a set. I don't know if it was just eyeshadow or something else, so you're gonna find out with me anyways. But before I open that, I just want to let you guys know that I have recently started a Ko-fi account, which is just a site where you can donate to help support my channel so I can do more things like purchase stuff for unboxings and just have better equipment for filming videos. I have that on top of my Patreon, and my patrons who I have now, thank you guys so much for your support over the years. I really appreciate it. And I just figured I'd open the Ko-fi account because that way you can just do a one-time like pledge donation, so it's not like a constant monthly type of situation. If you're just like, hey, I just want to buy her a coffee or help like put money towards her unboxings or something, it's there. So I'll put it in the description box down below if you guys are interested, and if you are, thank you. So let's unbox this eyeshadow palette. See, I haven't opened it yet. I'm actually going out tonight for my friend's birthday. It was supposed to be a surprise birthday party, but that did not happen because he figured out what was going on, so it's no longer a surprise, but it'll still be fun. Oh wow, there's more stuff in here than I thought there was gonna be. All right, so first thing is this, I don't know, oh, they're lashes. And it comes in this cute little coffin case, and it has the Addams family on there. And these are the eyelashes. Oh, those look nice. I love like the purple sparkly in the background. It's so cool. And then you can just take them out. You can use this case for something else in the future if you wanted to. We gladly feast on those who would subdue us. Synthetic lashes. Those are pretty. I like how they have like the thinner band on them because the thicker ones really bother my eyes sometimes. And then this is, what is this? Is this lipstick? Caramia. Isn't that what Gomez calls Morticia? Caramia. Is that my love? What is this? Is this lipstick? It's lipstick. Oh, nice. It's like a really nice, like red lipstick. I should have probably like read what came in this set. And this, I'm guessing, is the eyeshadow palette. Oh, so cool. Look at that. Ooh, some pretty colors. So we have Cousin It, Morticia, Wednesday, Pure, Kooky. What's Kooky? Who's Kooky? Gomez, Caramia, Kierda, 1964, Thing, Uncle Fester, Spooky, Lurch, Pugsley, and then Addams. A lot of these have like the, well, not a lot, but 1, 2, 3, 4 of them have like these sparkly, but it's like thick, the thick sparkles, which I find for me don't go on well. Like they don't stay on, they kind of just like chunks just fall off. Hopefully that's not the case with this set. I'm gonna do a makeup look with it. I don't know what colors I want to use. I don't know. Maybe I'll do like the more like mauve-y type colors. Like these here. Maybe I'll do like this and like put some of this over it. I don't know. We'll figure it out. But I just stuck my finger in like some of the sparkly one. It doesn't look too bad. Oh no, maybe it's gonna be good. Maybe it's gonna be good. I don't know. We will see. And then also it came with a makeup bag, which is super cute. Oh, and it has like a little strap on it. And it's just clear in the back. That's really cute. I like that. Just to like throw some stuff in there if you're gonna travel somewhere. So I don't know how much the thing cost, the whole set costs. I don't remember, but I'll put it somewhere up here, and then I will also put it in the description box down below so you guys can check it out if you like. So yeah, like I was saying, I am going to a birthday party tonight. My good friends, and I think we're just gonna have food and hang out. Like, you know, people are gonna drink and stuff. I don't drink, so I'll just have some soda maybe. I don't know. That place that we're going to though has like, it's supposed to have like really good beer. They like make their own blueberry beer. Like everybody goes crazy for it. All right, so I'm gonna use this color first, the Caramia color right here. Come on, finger point. Right here. As you can see, I already did my eyebrows. This is not the brush I want. Oh my god, I'm like a mess today. And I did my foundation just because it takes me forever to do my eyebrows because they're so uneven. Let's see. Oh, this looks nice. Not too much fallout so far. There's that, and then I think that I'm going to put some of this darker, the Kierda, right there with the sparkles over it. Hopefully it's not too much chunky, weird fallout. I hate that so much. Oh my god, it is. It's like that, you know what I'm talking about? Like, it's just like the chunks of sparkle. Like, I don't like that. I like it just to be like a nice shimmer. This looks weird. I don't know. It's on. Whatever. I just feel like it looks dirty. You know what I mean? Like, I don't know. It's not the look I was going for. I just kind of wanted like a nice shimmer over the top, but whatever. Also, I know I've mentioned it to you guys before, but I've been selling my stuff on Depop, and just recently I started selling on Mercari because a friend of mine sells her stuff on there and she says she has good luck on there. So I started selling on there too. So I will list that down below in the description box if you guys are interested in looking at what I have for sale. Now I think I'm going to use the Gomez color for my lower lid. I wish it was lighter. This pinky color. Like a pinky purpley color. I might end up putting some white over it. Yeah, this is too dark. I like to have like a light color on my lower eyelid. I wanted to do like a whole look with just this palette, but I find that I run into a lot of times when I buy eyeshadow palettes, there's not enough like lighter tones or like highlight type tones that I can use to, you know, not make everything look so dark. So I'm just going to throw some white over that. And that is the Uncle Fester. So that's that. See, it lightened it up when I put the white over it. And now I'm just going to use white like around here and like the brow bone area. So I just recently, actually the other night, they had this Asian Lantern Festival at the local zoo. It was really nice. So I tried to get some of the sparkles off. I just did not like the way it looked. It looked chunky with using more of the Caramia color just to like brush it off. It's like not coming off. I gotta figure out something that I have like another sparkly thing that I can use. Maybe it'll cover it all up because I just don't like the way that it looks. So that was like literally a disaster. I tried to like use something else to put over that sparkly area, and it was like this moon topper from Black Moon Cosmetics, but it was way too dark. It looked awful. I literally had to wipe all the eyeshadow stuff off and like reapply it.
Then scoop up the water and rub it on your face and go.
So it's the same minus the geared up sparkly stuff on top because I did not like that at all. I don't know if I'm going to darken it up, this up a bit, or just leave it the way that it is. I'm going to put my eyeliner on and then see how it looks and then decide from there if I want to darken it or not. So I have my eyeliner on. I have not put my mascara on yet. I like the way it looks. I might just darken a little bit in the crease just to have some sort of a contrast between the two colors, because I feel like, I don't know, it's just really like that mauve-y pinky color. So anyways, I was saying, I went to a Asian Lantern Festival. Yeah, oh, here's trouble. The other night, and it was really cool. They had like all different animals, like shaped lanterns, and they were all lit up. It was really pretty, and then they had like Asian food and stuff like that you could try.
Mom,
yeah.
I want to get another. You open another butters.
Okay, hold on.
Oh.
And they had like Asian street tacos. Don't touch that. They had like rice bowls with Saskatchewan chicken and orange chicken. It was pretty good. Like the chicken was good, but like the rice was not that good. But it was really pretty. If you go over to my Instagram, you can. I posted a picture from there of one of the displays, so it was really nice. If you want to check it out yourself. So I'm just taking the gray lurch color and just kind of like darkening it up a little bit. I think I like it better this way. He likes to stick the brushes inside the makeup. Alright, that's enough, okay?
I don't do that.
Don't do that.
You do that all the time?
I do it all the time.
But why you doing it? But I'm putting it on me.
I mean, there's not too much fallout from this product, but there is a little. I feel like a lot of eyeshadow palettes are like that. So how's that look? I think that looks pretty good. Like I darkened it a little bit. And I'm gonna put my mascara. I'm gonna put my mascara on and then just do my hair and everything like that. And then I will come back later and just have like some final thoughts with you guys. So this is the completed look. I put my eyeliner on and some different lipstick. I didn't use the one that it came with because it just wasn't the look I was going for tonight. You know, just some blush and highlight and all that. I like the way the eyeshadow came out. I like the colors a lot. And I like how it darkened up with the gray. So again, here are all the colors. But unfortunately, I just didn't like the sparkly bits. It was just too much, and I'm like still like picking it off my face and like wiping it off. It just really just came down and stuck everywhere, and I just didn't like it. But overall, I'm satisfied with the whole kit. I really like it. I'll definitely wear this lipstick. I'm just not wearing it tonight. And I'll definitely be using the eyeshadow again. I like how smooth it went on with the exception of the sparkles. And yeah, so I'll leave everything in the description box down below if you want to purchase it for yourself. And like I said, check out my Ko-fi, my Patreon, my Instagram, all that is down below in the description box. And until next time, stay dark, my friends, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!